Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever wish you could block distracting websites on your computer without downloading any extra software? Well, you are in luck. Today, I will show you a quick and easy way to block any websites on your Windows PC using nothing but built-in tools. No downloads, no third-party apps, just simple steps that work. Alright, here we go. First, we need to find the host files. For that, open File Explorer. Then go to this path: C, Windows, System32, Drivers, etc. Inside the etc folder, you will see a file named host which has no file extension. We need to open this file with a text editor like Notepad. But here's the catch: you must run Notepad as an administrator. For that, type Notepad into your search bar and select Run as Administrator. Now with Notepad open, click on File, then click Open. Navigate to that same folder. Change the file type drop down from text documents to all files. Then select the host file and click Open. You will see some default text, don't worry about it. To block a website, scroll down to the bottom and start adding lines like this below the localhost entry. Replace the example.com with the actual website you want to block. For instance, if you want to block Facebook, you would type facebook.com. You can add as many websites as you like, just make sure each one is on a new line. Once you are done, go to File and click on Save, or just press Ctrl S. Then close Notepad. And that's it. Now try opening one of the blocked websites in your browser, and you should see an error message or blank page. That means it's working. Keep in mind that you might need to clear your browser's DNS cache for the changes to take effect. In some cases, you might also need to clear the DNS cache on your system by running this command: ipconfig/flushdns. And finally, if you encounter any issues, always double check that you saved the file correctly and that you ran Notepad as an administrator. That's the key. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to block websites without using any extra software. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and feel free to leave any questions or thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.